Okay. Hello, everyone.
Hello.
Ryan.
Hello, this is me.
Sit down, sit down, sit down. Listen. Please, sit down.
Whoa.
Okay, so today, remember what have you learned yesterday?
Notebook.
No, that was the day before yesterday. Yesterday
We're
was that?
saving that to numbers.
No, yesterday stacks. Remember stacks?
Oh yeah.
And then you draw this tower. Remember? Yeah.
Yeah.
Sit down, please. Sit down. So look, the stack. The important thing to remember about stacks is every time you take the item, it's always on the top, right? So you put the item first, but you take it last, right? Yeah. Okay, so this is called stack. First in, last out. Okay. So today we're going to introduce a different data structure called queue. You know this word queue? Is first in, first out. Yeah. Suppose you wait in the line. That's a queue. Yeah. Yeah. Suppose here that's Eric, and that's Ryan.
So you have to do it.
Okay. Okay. So look. So who gets to serve the next time? Next time. That's supposed we're sending a ticket. Yeah. Ticket man. That's a ticket man. So who gets next? You, yeah? Eric gets next, and then Ryan. So then now the new people join the queue, yeah? But they need to wait in turn. That's called first in, first out, right? Because you join the queue first, you get served first. Yes?
Get out.
Yeah. Okay, so again, we can use the list in Python to serve the purpose of queue. So in the Python, how do we create a list? We use the square bracket, remember? Like a stack, yeah? So you can say stack equals this, or you also can have this Q E equals that, okay? Right? Yeah. Okay, so look, so let's define a Q, okay? Let's put it simple. Q equals a list, and now another person join, yeah? Q.append, yeah? Append, let's append Eric. So what do you think will happen? What do you think will happen?
It will append.
So look, this is the Q. This is the Q. Then now after this, we have Eric here.
Yeah.
Okay? And now Q.append
equals append, right?
append Ryan. What do you think will happen?
Append me. Fire.
So now the Q will become, can you please, Eric
Plus Ryan.
and comma and Ryan, yeah? Who's your favorite friend?
Me.
No, who's your best friend? Who's your best friend?
I don't have a best friend. At school, do you mean?
Yeah. Any friends? Just give me a name.
Leo.
Leo, how do you spell Leo?
L-F-O.
L?
You should know that.
L what?
Like.
L-E-O, Leo.
Leo.
Leo, okay? So what happened next? Then the Q will become what? Eric,
Ryan, Leo.
Ryan,
Leo. And then the one is Isaac.
Okay, do you want me to give her a name, Eric?
I know what name. Okay.
What? Eric, give me a name. Or your best friend. Owen, yeah? Is it Owen?
Isaac. Okay, maybe.
Okay. Q.append.
Owen. Or what N?
O-W-E-N, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, so what do you think will happen? Eric, yeah, we just put it at the end, yeah? Ryan, Leon, and Owen.
Next is Isaac.
No, that's it, enough. We don't have space for too many people. Okay, so look, if we want to have pick, you know this pick, do you know what's the meaning of pick? Pick?
Like Pika.
Yeah. Ryan, pick is like a look, just
like,
look. look without taking it.
Like the
Without anyone seeing.
Pikachu.
Yeah. So this pick means
Pikachu.
that I want to have a look at the next item to be the queue, to be out of the queue without actually taking it. So it will give me.
Ow!
So you give me this pick will give me like the first item to who should be served next?
Me.
Eric, because Eric goes in first, so he needs to be served first, right? So he needs to. How do you see this, Eric? So now the pick operation is just simply as Q. Look, this square bracket 0. Okay, 0 means the first item, right?
Yeah.
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 but then-
Yes. Okay, so remember
Yeah.
yesterday we talked about stack. And if
Yeah.
I want to get the pick the last item of the stack, what is that? How do we do it? We use this Q minus 1, okay?
Yeah.
Do you understand? This is get the last item, this is get the first item, minus 1, okay? So Q
So you-
0. Can you please be quiet, otherwise I'm not going to talk, okay? 0, the first item, the last item. And now, if I want to actually take it out, take Eric out, so we use the similar. Remember yesterday, the stack, yeah? The stack, what do we do with that? Look, this is pick, okay? Let me just do this, pick, this is pick. Pick,
Dun,
Pick.
dun, 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 dun,
Pick.
Batman.
pick, pick, so this it belongs to Q, okay? And this is stack, okay? And this is stack, and this is Q, okay? Okay, now, how about I want to
What does
take it out?
F-I-N-O.
First in, last
Hello.
out. First in, last out.
I thought first in, first out.
First in, first out is Q. First in, last out is stack. Okay? So now we want to take it out. We want to pop. So which is pop? Yeah?
Pop.
Pop to take it out. In a Q, we
See,
use
pop.
this pop 0. And in the stack, we just use pop. Okay?
Pop.
Okay, so look, like Eric, I can say Eric equals Q dot pop 0. Okay, so what do you think will happen? The Eric will be taken, Eric will be taken. So the list becomes Ryan, Leon, Owen. Okay, and how about
Bye-bye.
next one? Ryan equals Q dot pop 0. Pop 0 means I want to pop the first element out. So Ryan will be gone. And now the list will be Leon, Owen. And the next one, Leon,
Not Leon, it's Leo.
Leon, okay, Leon dot pop 0.
You sound like your friend. Or
Yeah. Pop 0. So look, Leon will be gone. Okay, and now we got Owen. Okay, and then now Owen
Dot
equal
pop.
Q dot pop and
Dot pop.
yeah, then you'll be gone. Okay, that's it. And we want to check the size of the. Can you remind me how can I check the size of the queue or the stack? Remember, size. How do we get the size? We use the len. Okay, len, len, queue, and then here will be len, stack. Okay. Okay, so that's the difference. Do you get it? The major difference is this bit to pick. This is to pick the first item. This is to pick the last item. This is to pop the first item. This is to pop the last item without the parameters. This is with the first parameters. So how can we make use of this queue? It's just different order, right? The stack is first in, last out. The queue is first in, first out. Okay.
Can we write it?
Okay. So let's think of example like we can make use of the queue.
Define.
Look, for example, if we given the numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, a list, yeah, this is the numbers. And then we want to make it return is square. So that I will return 1 square, that's 2 times 2, 3 times 3, 4 times 4, 5 times 5, okay? Okay, this is the task. So let's say,
One is the same.
define, yeah?
Yes.
Define, let's say,
Normally define at the beginning.
square, okay?
Square root.
Square,
S-Q-R-T.
Not t, square, not root. Okay, the square, just square it. Numbers. Okay, so how do we do it? How do we do it? Let's put the answer here. Okay, answer. Okay.
Ants.
Okay, then we can write using the Q. Remember, while the Q is not empty, what do we do? Y, we can treat the numbers. It's a list. We can treat it as a Q. Y, then numbers bigger than 0 when there's numbers in the Q, in these numbers, yes? We take it, okay, here, we take one element from the left, from the Q, so what should I do?
Pop.
X dot,
Pop.
Yeah.
Equals.
num dot pop, pop what?
Pop 1.
No one, pop 0, right? Remember, we want to take the first item, yeah? Then we put it in the answer, so answer dot append x,
Plus 1.
x times x, right? We want to square it. Yeah?
Yeah.
And then what's this? Return what? Return what? Anyway?
What?
Return what?
Answer.
Return answer. Well done. Okay, so look what happened here. Look what happened here. It's pretty simple. Okay, so this numbers is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Answer is empty. Length and numbers is 5. It's bigger than 0. So every time I take the number, the first number, the leftmost number from the numbers, I take it out, I square it and put it into the answer and then remove it. Remove because pop I will remove it, so one will be removed. Okay, so one question. If I want to return as 25, 16, 9, 4, 1, how do we do it? How do we do it?
You reverse.
How do we reverse? How do we reverse? Remember, we are using the Q, first in, first out. And now we are going to first in, last out. So how do we do? We want to take the 5 first, yeah? So how do we do it? You just need to erase one number. No, you just need to erase this. Remember? When it's using without the parameter, it takes this first, yeah?
I thought you also need to change this.
No, because this is the same. Yeah, am I right? So do you understand? Yes?
There's nothing in there.
With nothing in there, you take the last
Space.
element. Yeah, no, space is fine. When you put a 0 in there, you take the
Yeah.
first element. When you put nothing in there, you take the last element. And always take it and erase it. Yeah, when there's items in the list, you take it, erase it, and then put it, square it, and put it in the answer, and we return the answer. Okay, does that make sense?
Yeah.
Is that good? Yeah? Okay, do you want to put it in your computer, please? Okay? Good.
Put it.
Good job today.
Options.